2021 Upcoming Smartphones. In terms of already released handsets, we've compiled a list of the best smartphones for 2021, which we think to be the greatest on all platforms. Galaxy Z Flip 3, Samsung. Google Pixel Folding. OnePlus has stated that the Nord CE 5G, the next product in the Nord family, will be released soon. Following on from the successful Nord of 2020, this is projected to deliver mid-range specs at a competitive price. The Huawei P50 and P50 Pro will be available in May 2021. Honor is now a distinct company from Huawei, and the Honor 50 is rumored to be its next flagship. The Huawei P50 has a couple of large camera rings on the back, according to leaks, but the business is now collaborating with Google, so expect Google apps. They were followed by Google confirming the phone's arrival, indicating that we're dealing with the real phone. Galaxy Z Flip 3, Samsung. Samsung is concentrating its efforts on foldable phones, and a new Flip is expected in 2021. That display is expected to be updated to 120Hz for smoother scrolling, and it is expected to be less expensive than its predecessor. The upcoming Samsung Z Fold model is projected to be the flagship phone for the company's next series of folding phones. It's intended to build on the success of the Z Fold 2 by including S-Pen support. Samsung is rumored to be adding an under-display camera for the first time. The launch is scheduled for July 2021. Galaxy Z Fold E by Samsung. There have been various rumors that Samsung is considering more affordable folding phones, with the Galaxy Z Fold E being one of them. A fold model with the smaller exterior display, similar to the Z Flip, is being discussed, with a projected price of $1,100. Is this a less expensive fold model for 2021? Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, Full-Fledged Edition. The Galaxy S21 FE, the cheaper version of Samsung's flagship phone, is expected to be released on August 19, according to rumors. As soon as the 2020 iPhone SE was introduced, rumors about a larger model began to circulate. Will Apple fill this cheap but large gap with the upcoming iPhone 12 Small, which costs substantially more than the SE? A slew of leaks have revealed the design of the upcoming Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, revealing a very radical design, a shift in camera orientation, and maybe a Google-designed CPU to power it all. Google Pixel Folding. The earliest reports of a folding Pixel surfaced in 2019, with the subsequent leak in 2020 claiming that the device's code name was Passport and that it will be released in Q4 2021. It is not expected to be released until October 2021. Thank you for taking the time to watch Knowledge Siege. Thank you for watching Knowledge Siege.